Welcome to Drive La Tutorials. Today, we'll give you an overview of our Host Analytics feature. First, let's navigate to the Analytics section. Press the Insights tab on the navigation bar of your app. On the Insights page, you'll see two tabs, Earnings and Analytics. In the Earnings section, you get a detailed look at your earnings. The chart here breaks down your monthly earnings into 4 categories. Trip earnings from completed trips, other earnings from disputes, tolls, and other trip-related activities, upcoming earnings from trips that are yet to be completed, and missed earnings, which are from cancelled or declined bookings. You can filter this chart by any specific listing and any year you want. Also, you can quickly review your trip history and earnings receipts in the Trip History section. Now, let's switch to the Analytics tab. This is where you uncover valuable insights on key metrics that drive your demand on the platform. At the top, you'll see a chart showing the trips you've hosted over the last 12 months. Below that, you'll find your performance on important demand metrics. Each metric has a score and a note indicating whether it's in the ideal range or needs attention. Metrics like booking acceptance rate, response rate, cancellation rate, rating, and availability scores all impact your visibility and demand on the platform. Keep these in the ideal range to maximize your earnings. In summary, Host Analytics gives you all the critical data you need to manage and improve your hosting experience in one convenient place. Happy hosting and see you next time.